There are little words that shine so bright, magic words that feel just right. When you want something, don't forget, say please. It's the kindest bet. When someone helps you, big or small, say thank you. The best of all, please and thank you, sorry too. Magic words for me and you. Excuse me, pardon, if you may. Kind words brighten every day. If you bump a friend by mistake, say sorry. For goodness sake, to gently squeeze on by, you see, just say excuse me. 1, 2, 3. Rexi uses magic words, the kindest dino